This is Wangjingxi, once a simple stop, now a 3-line mega hub in Beijing's Chaoyang district. But this upgrade came at a cost. See that old footbridge? It's now closed, a ghost of how passengers used to transfer. Gone are the days of braving the elements. Today, lines 13, 15, and 17 connect via a sprawling, futuristic underground passage. The star of the show? This epic escalator ride down to the brand new Line 17 platform, a sleek, deep blue world of modern transit. Line 17 is the new artery, shaving the 13 to 17 transfer down to just 2.5 minutes. Meanwhile, Line 15 offers a slightly more leisurely 4 to 5 minute stroll through this climate-controlled maze. But old Line 13 still holds its charm. An at-grade platform where you can still feel the open air and watch the trains roll in. Above ground, it's more than just a subway stop. With 3,000 bicycle spaces, it's the ultimate park and ride hub. But watch your exits. Exit D, for instance, is strictly exit only, a small quirk in this massive system. For the best connection, follow the signs to exit E. It leads you straight into the main bus terminal. Here, 7 bus routes weave through the city, making your final mile a breeze. Wangjingxi is a story of transition, saying goodbye to the old footbridge and embracing a faster, smarter commute. 3 lines, 1 seamless network. This is the new rhythm of Beijing.